positive 1 over.
Okay, n 15 more. Two points. N 15 more. Then right 50 very less. Very little to know it is more. But we are doing only 4 to 3 na 0 to 1 and suppose 0.02 because that 0 so number of intervals must be 4. That is the interval length must be very less. Okay, so next class is okay, other than that, so last day or Thursday, we will again explain the thing. For example, what is meant by implicit, what is meant by explicit? What is meant by explicit?
Senjil. Body.
For example, only for the exercise. Okay, x is equal to what? We get the
method தெரியுது அங்க இருந்து பாக்கும்போது
implicit statement.
Senjil புரியுதா?
For example, linear complex method. We take the first one. Predicted method is x is equal. Okay, y code is calculated that the integral hydrogen formula. Factor method is y code is the left hand side after the right hand side. We can't calculate. So this is called the power. So all the tools are off there anyway. So you go to so we completed everything.